This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video we are going to be doing weekly technical analysis in British pound US dollar currency pairs. We'll do the analysis from the weekly time frame to lower time frame, and we'll be sharing you the support and resistance levels and present trend of the price action for each time frame. Please use it as a reference for deciding on your trade entry and exit. It's not a trading advice. So let us begin our analysis. I'm in weekly time frame now. When we look at the trend of the price action, it is in a very nice downtrend from 2007. And when we draw a trend line and check the current trend of the price action, I'm taking the highest point from where it started its bearish trend reversal, and I'm connecting all the highs over here. So it had bounced back from this resistance level, and currently when we look at the price action, it has broken this support line and the price action is trading below this trend line or the support line. Previously it went up breaking this resistance line. Currently it has retraced back breaking this support line. And when we closely analyze the characteristics of British pound US dollar price action, so the lowest it has gone was up to this level of 1.141, and the highest it has gone around the level of 1.422. And when we take up the whole distance from this resistance line to support line, I'm again moving it putting it on the top, and I'm drawing a resistance line over here. We can clearly notice that this distance is equivalent of this distance over here, and again I'm taking this area and putting it on the upside. So here also we can notice that this distance is same as this distance. So from this analysis we can understand that price action trades in a range for a while, then it makes a sharp directional move. So previously it was trading in this range, then it made a downward movement. Again it started trading within this support and resistance area, and again it went on a downtrend and started trading on a sideways within this resistance and support level. And currently within this support level we can notice that it went up on a bullish trend, and currently it is on a retracement. So it is not going anywhere, it is only trading within this support and resistance level, and it is on a retracement to retest on the previous support level. So looking at the price action in weekly time frame, it is a range bound market moving on a sideways. So currently when we look at the price action, since it has given a breakout from this support line, and I'm drawing a trend line on the top side also, we can clearly notice that it is in a downtrend. So if the downtrend continues in weekly time frame, we can expect it to go up to the support level of 1.14395. So only when the price action breaks this support level, we can expect a next level of range bound market to start. And again when we look at the past price action, this level had acted as a support level in the past, and from here we have noticed the price action to bounce back on the trend reversal. So this area from 1.199 to 1.143 will be acting as a support zone for the current price action. So looking at the current price action in weekly time frame, there are more space for the price action to come on the downside, but this whole area will be acting as a support zone for the current price action. Only when the price action breaks this support zone, we can expect the next level of range bound market to start. Overall, the price action in weekly time frame, it's still trading on a sideways within this resistance and support zone. Let us do the analysis in daily time frame. I'm in daily time frame now. So from the weekly time frame, we know that this level is going to be acting as a very strong support zone for the current price action, and we have noticed a price action to come near to this support level and to bounce back on the retracement. So the price action needs to break this resistance line from the weekly time frame in order to continue its bullish trend reversal. And if the bullish trend continues, next level of resistance is going to be around 1.32. But overall, when we look at the trend of the price action in daily time frame, let us draw a trend line to check the current trend of the price action. So here I have drawn a channel pattern of the resistance line over here, and here I have drawn a support line over here. So we can notice that previously the price action was trading within this resistance and support line, and it has given breakout from this support line or trend line, and it started falling on a bearish trend reversal. So if the price action goes on a bullish trend reversal also, we can expect this support line to act as a resistance line for the future price action. So the price action in daily time frame is trading between this resistance line from the weekly time frame and support level from the weekly time frame. Wait for the price action to bounce back from this resistance line on the bearish trend reversal, where you can consider going on a bearish side trades, because overall the price action in daily time frame also is in a bearish trend. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame now. When we notice the price action in 4 hours time frame, it is very clear that current trend of the price action is in a very nice downtrend. Previously the price action was in a downtrend. Again it took support on the daily time frame channel pattern. Again bounced back on the bullish trend and took resistance from the trend line from the 4 hours time frame. Currently it is in a very nice downtrend. But again this whole area is a very strong support zone from the weekly time frame, and it is on a retracement to retest on the weekly time frame trend line or the resistance line. Even if the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect it to take resistance from the 4 hours time frame resistance line over here and to bounce back on the bearish side. So the overall trend in 4 hours time frame is also showing on a bearish side. Currently it is on a retracement. Wait for the price action to bounce back from this resistance line in order to take trades on the bearish side. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, it was on a very nice downtrend and it took support around the support level of 1.217, and it is on a bullish trend reversal or in a retracement. The first level of resistance is going to be the weekly time frame resistance line over here. Only when the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect it to test the resistance line from the 4 hours time frame and the channel pattern support line. So we have lots of resistance levels from the higher time frame on the bullish side. But that will not be an issue if you know how to follow a trend. So I would request you to draw trend lines like this to understand the current trend of the price action. Once the price action breaks this support line or the trend line, we can take trades on the bearish side, and if the price action bounces back from this trend line, you can take trades on the bullish side. But on the bullish side, you have to wait for the price action to break this resistance line in order to get the confirmation on the bullish trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Currently the price action in hourly time frame is in a bullish retracement. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. Here we have the hourly time frame support line or trend line, and I am going to draw one more trend line for the 30 minutes time frame. And in 30 minutes time frame, we can notice that it is actually consolidating. We have to wait for the price action to give breakout from this in order to take a directional trades. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all going to be the resistance and support levels for the price action in 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame. So when we analyze the price action in 5 minutes time frame also, it couldn't break the resistance line from the 30 minutes time frame, or it doesn't have enough momentum on the bearish side also. Currently the price action is moving on a sideways. So I would recommend you to draw trend lines like this in order to understand the direction of the current price action. Once the price action gives a breakout from this resistance line or the support line, we can take a directional trade on the bullish side or on the bearish side. Since this is a 5 minutes time frame, we will notice multiple trends in 5 minutes time frame. Always stick to the higher time frame resistance levels and support levels in order to understand the current trend of the price action. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame. So the values in blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is under consolidation. Wait for the directional breakout in 5 minutes time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.